Today we are making this simple flavorful Matka Achari Khichdi, which is a wholesome one-pot meal for your cozy winter nights. In a vessel, take 1 cup sela basmati rice, add 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon salt. I'm using the Kent induction cooktop, link of which I will be mentioning in the description box. Cook the rice for 10-15 minutes on slow flame until it's 90% cooked. In a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of washed and soaked yellow moong dal, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Also add 1 teaspoon oil. Pressure cook the dal for 2-3 whistles. For the tempering, heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan, add 1 teaspoon jeera, a pinch of hing, few curry leaves and 1 bay leaf. Stir everything well. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic and stir well for a minute until the garlic is a bit brown. Now add 1 cup chopped onions and saute everything well. You can discard the bay leaf now if you want. Keep the gas flame low and add all the powdered spices to the tempering. Add a splash of water to avoid the spices from burning and cook until the ghee separates. Now add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and salt to taste and saute everything for 2 to 3 minutes or until the tomatoes turn mushy. Add our secret ingredient, add the pickle to the tempering and mix everything well. Now add the cooked dal to the tempering and combine everything well. Finally, add the cooked rice to the tempering with some fried birista and combine everything well. Our Achari Khichdi is ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander and stir well. Now in a matka, add 1 teaspoon ghee and layer our khichdi one by one. Top it up with some birista and some fresh coriander and seal it with aluminium foil and heat the matka on gas flame for 10-15 minutes. And our Matka Achari Khichdi is ready to be served. Garnish it with some birista, some burnt garlic tadka and some fresh coriander and serve it with some dahi. And you are good to go.